Why has your BMW X1's start stop ceased operation? Has your BMW X1's start-stop feature decided to take an unscheduled break? What's going on, and why this feature decided to take an unexpected siesta? Let's find out. Let's start by discussing the basics of BMW's start-stop feature. A brief note on BM's start-stop feature. This feature can automatically shuts off the engine when the vehicle comes to a complete stop. By doing so, it essentially helps you save money on fuel. Besides, it is a great way to reduce emissions in modern vehicles. Reasons why it may cease functioning. Number 1. Defective battery. Electric power is essential for your BMW's start-stop feature to function. As the battery ages, its ability to hold and distribute electric charge will diminish. Reduced power supply can contribute to all sorts of electrical anomalies in your BMW, including start-stop feature failure. Number 2. Defective sensor. Your start-stop system of your BMW relies on an array of sensors to keep track of different parameters. If any of these sensors fail, it can lead to the cessation of the start-stop feature. Ensuring the upkeep of different sensors of your car is therefore important. Number 3. Software trouble. Software-related issues can also cause your BMW's start-stop feature to cease operation. To restore the functionality, you might need to update or recalibrate the system. Technical glitch in the control module can also result in such a problem. Number 4. Mechanical problems. Mechanical issues within the start-stop system components can also lead to failure. You might need to replace a few defective components to get the issue addressed. Number 5. Environmental factors. Strange as it may seem, environmental factors can impact the start-stop system's performance. Things like extreme temperatures or humidity can impact the start-stop system's performance. In conclusion, many different things can contribute to the cessation of your BMW X1's start-stop feature. Act promptly to find out and fix any such issues.